Meet Mr. Saunders. Meet Mr. Rogers. They both have to move tomorrow. Mr. Saunders hires Sago Services and continues doing what he knows. Mr. Rogers hires his friends. Sago Services team is always on time, ready to listen, and ready to help. At Sago Services, you will find the most comfortable one-stop shop: moving, professional packing, unpacking, move-in, move-out cleaning, junk removal. Mr. Saunders enjoys his day with his family because he now has more free time. He feels less stress, and his moving experience is more pleasurable. Mr. Rogers isn't having fun at all. For Sago Services, packing is not just to put your belongings in a box. We take care of each item. We also wrap your big furniture. Packing is your and our protection. We are registered, insured, bonded, and accredited by the Better Business Bureau. Our priority is your total satisfaction. At Sago Services, we are proud of being an honest and hardworking family company, working together to achieve our main goal, which is your total satisfaction. Visit us at www.supersago.com or call us at 587-331-9552.
Sago Services, your moving company in Calgary.